Hello, Mithu. Today we have one more parrot at our home. That's our neighbor's parrot, and we gave it to us to take care.
And
They are not at home. And this is our small Banty. Look how he's watching. Oh. He's coming. He might hit him. Look. He's coming. Be careful. Or might be he want to drink water.
ये पानी पी ले.
Drink it. No. He's only watching the Banty. Yes.
तुझे क्या कीड़ा लगा?
Where? Where is us? Mithu? Mithu? What are you doing? Mithu?
अभी तो नहाया है, अभी तो गीली है. अंदर बोल.
Hello? Hi, Mithu. What is your name? Oi. What is her name? 1122. Tutu. 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 Say something. Tutu. Tutu. Hey, Tutu. Oi.
वो डायनासोर रहता है.
और क्या जब when we make closer, he really look dinosaur. Mobile's battery is down. That's why you close its brightness, huh?
Yeah.
Mithu, where is Banty? Is Banty? Is Banty? Oh, Banty is sleeping.
Picture.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see where is he. You want to go. You just want to move down. Don't. Mithu. Mithu. Up, you have more screenshot. That's enough. Enough. Now move on. Don't come to me. Don't wanna. You wanna sit on my shoulder? Don't! Uh-oh. Okay. Do you want to look yourself? In the screen. Okay, see. Who is this? Who is this? Hmm? Who is this? Oh, another parrot. Another tutu at our home. Take him.
हाँ चिकन आ रहा है चिकन आ रहा है
Take him. Go. Okay, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Don't want to come to me. Bye.